Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the VIOFO A229 Pro 3-channel 4K HDR Dash Cam, a device so advanced, it might just capture the moment your Tesla bursts into flames during a protest against Elon Musk. First things first, the video quality. In daylight, this dash cam produces footage so crisp, so detailed, that you can see the disappointment on another driver's face when they realize their self-driving car just ran a red light. The front camera records in glorious 4K, the rear in 2K, and the cabin camera in 1080p. So yes, it captures everything, including your passengers questioning your life choices. Now let's talk about night vision. Thanks to the Sony Starvis 2 sensors and HDR magic, this thing sees better in the dark than you do after 3 cups of coffee. License plates? Crystal clear. Street signs? No problem. The only thing it won't help you see is why gas prices are still ridiculously high. The interior camera also features infrared recording, which means that even in complete darkness, you'll still have sharp black and white footage of you trying to explain to your Uber passengers why your car isn't electric. Because, not everyone wants to be part of the latest viral car bonfire movement. And let's not forget the voice control feature. You get 12 different commands, like taking a photo, locking a video, or turning Wi-Fi on and off, all without touching a single button. Because the last thing you need is another distraction while you're already dodging reckless AI-driven taxis. For those worried about parking security, the A229 Pro has 3 different parking modes. Whether it's motion detection, low bitrate recording, or time-lapse mode, this dash cam is always watching, just like your nosy neighbor who reports you for parking an inch over the line. Oh, and the best part, it comes with 5 GHz Wi-Fi for faster downloads and a CPL filter to reduce glare, making sure your videos are free of annoying reflections. Unlike your windshield, which is permanently smudged with fingerprints from adjusting your GPS. Final verdict? The VIOFO A229 Pro is the perfect dash cam for 2025. It captures every detail, protects your car 24/7, and most importantly, gives you evidence in case some self-proclaimed EV freedom fighter tries to set a gas-powered car on fire in the name of anti-Musk activism. So, if you want top-tier video quality, solid security features, and a dash cam that works better than most politicians, the A229 Pro is for you. Just don't forget to use the original power cable, because, let's be honest, cutting corners on power supply is how things end up on fire in the first place.